In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create product bundles in Shopify, both with and without the use of apps. Bundling products is a fantastic strategy to increase sales and improve customer satisfaction by offering related products together at a reduced price. It's easy to set up and can be done with just a few clicks. So let's dive right in. To get started, head over to the left panel of your Shopify admin dashboard and click on Apps. In the search bar, type in Shopify Bundles or simply Bundles. What you're looking for is the free bundle add-on created by Shopify itself. This app allows you to combine multiple products into a single bundle effortlessly. Once you've found the app, click on it. This action will direct you to its designated page on the Shopify App Store, where you can find more information about its features and benefits. On the App Store page, you'll see an option to install. Go ahead and click on that. It might take just a moment for the installation process to complete. Once installed, you'll notice that the app is now listed on the left panel of your Shopify admin under the Apps section. Click on the newly installed app to begin the exciting process of creating product bundles. When you're ready to start, look for a button labeled Create Bundle. Clicking on this will initiate the process. Here, you'll first want to give your bundle a unique and catchy name that reflects what the bundle offers. Next, simply add the products you wish to include in this bundle. If certain products have variants, like different colors or sizes, you have the flexibility to select which variants should be included in the bundle. You also have the option to set a default variant if you wish. Once you're satisfied with your selections, click on Save and Continue. This step moves you forward to a page where you can input additional details about the bundle. Here, you'll fill out a description that clearly explains the benefits or theme of the bundle, upload any relevant media files to highlight the appeal of the bundle, and assign it to a category. Don't forget to set the price for your bundle, endeavoring to convey the value of buying these items together. After you've entered all the necessary details, the final step is to click Save. And just like that, you've created a product bundle on Shopify. It's that simple. Bundles can significantly enhance your sales strategy by encouraging customers to purchase more at once. Thank you for staying with us through this instructional journey. Whether you choose to use the Shopify app or manage bundles manually, it's a powerful tool to have in your e-commerce toolkit. Until next time, happy bundling.